In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Payoneer to Stripe. To get started, log into your Stripe account. Make sure you're signing in to the correct account, especially if you manage more than one business profile. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Settings icon, usually shown as a small gear. Click that to open your main account configuration area. From there, open Business Settings. This is where Stripe keeps important details related to your company information, payouts, and connected banking options. After that, click on Bank Accounts and Currencies. This section controls where your payouts are sent, so it's important to double-check everything you enter here. Now click Add a bank account. At this point, Stripe will ask for the account details you want to use for payouts. Before entering anything, open your Payoneer account in a separate tab or window and locate your receiving account details. Be sure you're viewing the correct receiving account for the currency and region that matches your Stripe setup. Once you find the receiving account information in Payoneer, copy the bank account details carefully. This usually includes items like the account holder name, bank name, account number, and any routing or identification codes required by Stripe. Accuracy matters here because even a small mistake can cause payout delays or verification issues. Next, return to Stripe and enter the Payoneer bank account details into the form. Take your time while filling in each field and make sure the information matches exactly as shown in Payoneer. If Stripe asks for additional banking information, complete each section carefully and avoid guessing. After entering everything, review the account information before moving forward. This is your chance to catch any typing errors, missing digits, or incorrect account selections. If everything looks correct, click Save. In some cases, Stripe may prompt you to complete extra verification steps. If that happens, just follow the on-screen instructions. Verification can vary depending on your country, account type, or payout settings, so this part may look slightly different from one user to another. Once the process is complete, go back and verify that the Payoneer account now appears in your payout settings. This confirms that Stripe has accepted the account and that it's available for future payouts. And that's it. You've successfully gone through the process of adding Payoneer to Stripe. Thanks for watching.